Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already updated iTunes or are using Finder. Now connect the iPhone directly with a known good Lightning or USB-C cable. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust this computer, then enter your passcode to establish the link. Make sure backups exist on this machine. Look for the date and device name in iTunes/Finder. If you need encrypted data like health, toggle encrypted backup and set a password. You'll need that password later to restore encrypted content. In Finder or iTunes, select your iPhone from the sidebar and click Restore Backup. Choose the appropriate backup by checking its date and device label so you don't overwrite newer content. If the backup is encrypted, enter the backup password now. This unlocks saved passwords, health, and home kit data. Click Restore and keep the iPhone connected. The computer will transfer files and settings, progress bars show status, and apps will re-download later from the App Store once the restore finishes. Once the restore completes, your iPhone will restart and show a progress bar while apps and media re-download. You'll need to sign back into your Apple ID and re-enable Face ID or Apple Pay where required. This restores security and sync. If something goes wrong, make sure the cable stayed connected and try a different USB port or cable. Also verify the backup isn't corrupt by attempting a different backup. If errors persist, update macOS/Windows and retry the restore from a verified backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.